Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo X1 Carbon. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Now, let's talk about the problem at hand. If your Lenovo X1 Carbon has a cracked screen, you may find it difficult to see your display properly, which can hinder your productivity. This issue often occurs due to accidental drops or impacts. If left unrepaired, it could potentially lead to further damage to the internal components or even cause injury from sharp edges. To perform this repair, you will need a few tools. Make sure you have a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, a suction cup, and a replacement screen specifically designed for the Lenovo X1 Carbon. First, let's open the device safely. Start by powering off your laptop and unplugging it from any power source. Using the plastic prying tool, carefully insert it into the seam around the edges of the device. Gently work your way around to pop the back cover off without applying too much force. Once the back cover is removed, locate the screen assembly. The component that has failed is the LCD screen itself. You'll see several screws securing it in place. Carefully remove these screws with the Phillips screwdriver, but be cautious not to strip them. As you remove the screws, keep them organized so you can easily find them when reassembling. After the screws are out, gently lift the screen from the base, being mindful of any attached cables. Disconnect the video cable by carefully lifting the connector. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your new screen and align it with the hinges and connector. Reattach the video cable securely. Once connected, lower the screen back into position and replace the screws you previously removed. Make sure they are tightened but do not over-tighten, as this may cause damage. Before sealing up the device, it's wise to test the screen to ensure everything works correctly. Power the device on and check for display functionality. If the display is working, you can now replace the back cover. Align it properly and press down firmly to snap it back into place. To prevent this issue from occurring again, consider using a sturdy case or a screen protector for your Lenovo X1 Carbon. Always handle your device with care to minimize the risk of accidental drops. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.